Hello guys, Jose Rodriguez here. In this video, I'll show you how can you install Python on a Windows 11 device. Okay, we will open a web browser and search for python.org. This is the official website for Python, and you can go to downloads and then select Windows. Okay, in this page you will find Windows installers for not only the current or the latest version of Python, but also the previous ones. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, I'll install the latest one, which is 3.13. Okay, now there are different installer options: 64 bits, 32 bits, and ARM64. Okay, so we need to get more context about the the specifications of our device. Okay, so to do that, we are going to access the settings app. Okay, let's open. And then we are going to system, we scroll down, we access the about section. So you have all the specifications here. So as you can see, the system type is a 64-bit operating system. Okay, and the type of it's an Intel based chip, okay, that we are using when processing data. Okay, so the best installer would be this one. Okay, so we are downloading the installer. Let's open the folder. Okay, and let's make double click on it. So whenever you open the executable, okay, you have two options. You can do install now, okay, or you can also customize the installation. Okay, like for example, you can choose the location. You can install Python for a specific user, or you can install Python for all the users in the computer. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to install Python, or I want to install Python on all the users in my computer. Okay, so to do that, I'm gonna click on use admin privileges when installing py.exe, and I will also add python.exe to the path environment variable in my computer, so I can use Python um, um, as a utility, okay, on when using the command prompt. And I will click on customize installation. So optional features, I will select all of them. Okay, then when I click on next, you will have this option here. Okay, install Python 3.13 for all users. Okay, what else? No, nothing else. And as you can see now, the installation path is not for just the user Pedro.Gustavo. Is now um, installing the executable under C program files. Okay, um, that's how we are making Python available for all the users in our computer. Okay, and then we can just click on install. It will ask for the an administrator password. So I'll use password. So now we just need to wait until the installation process is completed. Okay. I will keep recording in case I get any type of issues um, or error messages. Okay. It's almost done. Okay, so the installation was successful. Okay, and you may get another message here at the bottom that says if you want to, it will ask you if you want to disable the length limit for the path environment variable. Okay, and I would suggest you select on yes. Okay, so you can add more applications to the path environment variable. Okay, this will allow you to use those applications um, in an easier way uh, when using the command prompt or PowerShell, for example. Okay, so then let's click on close, and then just to validate that you can execute Python commands, let's open a command prompt. Hit enter. Let me increase the size here for you. Okay, and then we can just run Python. Okay, and then you can start running commands, like for example print hola all cyber. That's it. Okay, you can also use other libraries like pip, for example, to import different libraries. Okay, or to install other libraries. Okay, that's it. Thank you.